If you think a one-piece bathing suit is not as sexy as a bikini, you should check out the latest styles. From tube tops to cutout suits, the one-piece has never been hotter. Hi, I'm Krystin Goodwin with Buzz60, and here are a few fashionable one-piece swimsuits to hit the beach in style this summer. If you're looking for comfort and style, stun in the sun with a classy one-shoulder swimsuit. In a black color with durable fabric and a sleek metal buckle, this piece is sharp and gives off a sporty chic vibe. Tube tops are also flashy. Try a style like this cute twist bandeau piece from Express. With a back tie closure and drawstring ruching at the sides, this piece will show off your curves, and you won't have to worry about any tan lines on your shoulders and back. And cutout styles are in this season. Try an edgy style like this eye-catching print one piece. With embroidered trim, ties at the front, and cutout sections at the sides, this suit screams sultry. Or try a simple cutout style like this crochet piece. In a white color with a crochet overlay, this one piece is tasteful and adorable. So if you're too sexy for a bikini, try a one piece this summer. Leave a little more to the imagination and grab a lot more attention. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.